The most memorable thing that Dad has taught me is to treat people the way you want to be treated. He said, son, work hard, treat people right, and to be honest. My dad always done everything with a handshake, and when he tells you something, you can count on it. To me, that's the Northwood way. The thing with a Northwood machine, it is providing you an opportunity for a better life. The fact is, there's many CNC tools that is being built out there for the stone manufacturer. But I can safely say there is only 2 that is being made here in the United States, and we're one of them. We're here to see you succeed, we're here to see you prosper, and we're here to see you grow your business. We build that machine from ground up. The steel is cut here, it's welded here. That machine is being milled on a machine that we built at Northwood.
Because we are in so many different markets, from aerospace to metalworking to stone, that same technology that we developed for those industries is the same thing you're going to see in the stone machines.
Northwood training is unlike any training that you're going to receive from anybody else in this industry. You're coming down to a real working shop, and that's my father's shop, called CNC Stonecrafters. You're going to set the machine up, you're going to set the pods up, you're going to run programs that you have just created, and you're going to create real jobs.
If you have poor training, you're going to have poor application. I've had every customer come out of this shop with the knowledge of being able to run a machine.
We're here more for just selling machines. We build relationships with our customers, and I think that's very, very important. If you're not comfortable with the person that's training you, you're not going to be willing to learn more on the machine side of it.
The Northwood machines, they can be adapted to run your business however you want. I mean, if you want high production, I can provide you with equipment to give you high production. If you want to run it as a small business and be able to put out just a job a day, then by all means, you can do that.
The soul of our company has always been custom equipment. We saw success in a market that was flooded with competitors in being able to build quality equipment that would last.
A machine is all about runtime. The more the machine runs, the more money it makes you. We design our equipment to run 24/7. That's the reason that big companies rely upon our machines without question.
When I put my tools down from the install of Raptor and I turn it over to a customer, I feel confident that that machine I'm giving them is the best on the market. We grew up not to do anything halfway. It was to do it to the fullest potential that we had, and taking that to Northwood, I don't feel comfortable not giving a customer my all.
There's things that are instilled in us that have morals and respect for people, and to treat everybody like you would want to be treated. And I think the biggest thing is I take that to Northwood. I think it's kind of the olden times. That's where I'm at.
When you buy a Northwood machine, you actually become part of the Northwood family. How can I help them succeed? How can I help them grow their business and not have to struggle with the shop anymore? Let them enjoy their family. That's what I like.